Hi, hello everyone. So, welcome again to our YouTube channel, Read the Explorer. Okay, so today we are in the kitchen making fried bananas. I just got from school, hungry. Yeah, so I decided to do this vlog and share with you guys. Okay. Yeah, honestly, I was extremely hungry. Yeah, not the kind of hunger where you can wait, okay? The kind where you just need to cook it like immediately. Yeah. So instead of just making food quietly, I decided to turn this moment into a vlog. Yeah, I've told you I'm making fried bananas. Simple, affordable, and very satisfying, okay? So I'm just starting and so I started by washing them, okay? Washing the bananas without peeling them off, guys. Then I made a small line on the peel to make it easier to remove later after boiling. Yeah, that is what I always do while making bananas because it's really a lot of work. It's a lot of work to start peeling before cooking. So I always make a small line so that I can be able to peel after they're boiled. Okay, so those are my bananas. You can see I'm making small lines, straight line. Yeah, just one on the side. Yeah. So guys, after doing all that, I headed on and added water to my cooking pot. We call it sufuria. And then I added salt. Yeah, this is a must do because while boiling, and I've done that small line, the salt gets inside the banana so well, and I don't have to add any salt while frying them after they're boiled. Okay. Yeah, this is just my small trick. A small trick I always use. So after that, I set my bananas to boil and I decided to go on and start preparing the ingredients just to make them ready. So I was going to use 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, green pepper, Yeah, as you can see, I'm just washing them and start getting them ready. Okay. Yeah. Guys, I know you're wondering why I'm chopping such big pieces. Okay, I really fear sharp knives and my knife is so sharp. So that's why I'm chopping big pieces and being careful not to cut myself. I really fear injuries, especially being cut by a knife. Yeah, that's why I'm just chopping big pieces. And I really love chili. Yeah, I can't prepare banana without chili. Yeah, it makes it taste so good. Uh-huh. I must add one. So guys, I checked our banana and it was ready. You can see it just seems ready. Yeah. Very ready. you can see the line that I made. Yeah, it makes it so easy to peel it off. So after that, I got it from the gas cooker, and it was time to start peeling them off. Just see how easy it was. So easy. I didn't waste any time here. Huh? So guys, see how well they were cooked. Yeah, they look so good, ready to be fried. Okay. So I started by frying the onions. Okay, then added tomatoes, green pepper. Yeah. And guys, to bring everything together, I added Royco. You know, Royco is good for good smell, flavor, you know. Yeah, and mixed it well. Okay, the smell at this point was already so good. So good. After this, I added bananas and let them to fry slowly while absorbing the flavors from the ingredients. And guys, to make this meal more balanced and nutritious, I served the fried bananas with pork and mixed vegetables that I had remaining for dinner yesterday. Okay, and this way I'm getting carbohydrates from the bananas, proteins from the pork, and vitamins from the vegetables, all in one plate, guys. I really love meals like this because they are not only filling but also nourishing, especially after a long day at school. Okay, after a long day of school, sometimes you just don't need a complicated recipe to eat well. Just simple food, using what you already have and turning leftovers into something fresh and satisfying, like I did with my pork. And that was my plate. I enjoyed the meal. Bye, see you in the next video, guys.